Hello, I'm Michelle. I'm an occupational therapist here at WOLPER Jewish Hospital. Occupational therapists help people with what we call occupations, so they're all the things we do in our life. You think about your start of your day, you shower, you get dressed, maybe you make food, you go to work, you indulge in whatever you indulge in. You work, you play, you sleep, all those things. Sometimes we all have difficulty with, and arthritis can certainly affect any of those and many of those functions. So I think for a lot of people with arthritis, it will be helpful to get the services of an occupational therapist. As to how you access an occupational therapist, here, if you were a patient at WOLPER, you would see an occupational therapist because we have a blanket cover for all the patients who come to our wards. But if you were in the community wanting to access an OT, you might start off by going online, looking at OT Australia and Googling Find an OT. But a lot of other providers will have an OT as part of their team. So if you're a client of the NDIS or My Aged Care or DVA or some other funding body, then I think it's wise to ask whoever your connection is in the funding body, can I see an occupational therapist through your service? For some people who haven't already become a client of one of those services, one way you might start is by speaking to your GP, your local doctor, and asking for a referral. Sometimes all you might want is a referral to an occupational therapist. Maybe you want a referral to an occupational therapist and a physiotherapist. I think it's really useful to start with that conversation with your GP.